Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to explore more about a paid application from my company, BizTech Consulting Services, where we are specialized to deliver printing industry solutions. That's where I am going to demonstrate a solution which is regarding to printing industry where Web2Print solutions are in demand and how e-commerce website can take an order and Odoo as a backend can handle the sales order journey with raw material and production management. So let's start. I am going to explore you with Magento as an e-commerce front and Odoo as a backend. So this is our demo website where we have listed down several products from different industries or different verticals where you can sell many things where customer needs their own branding. So Web2Print is famous for selecting your own product which is offered by e-commerce, put your own design assets and get it printed by the manufacturer or the provider. So I'm going to select hoodie as an example now where you can see many hoodies are available. If I can pick this red one because I like red color, let's check it out how I can select my product. Yeah, I don't like blue, but yeah, I like red and I have several options to select my material. I like cotton and then I need gift packaging. I want same day delivery. And here the example is I want to design it myself. So on the designing front, I will get an option to put my own design asset. Like this is the predefined content. If I want to change, I can change it. If I want to change the color, it is possible. This is again a second design asset, a scooter image. If I want to change the color, okay. So this is a predefined design. That's why it is not getting the image. But yeah, text is getting. But I don't want this text. I don't want this. But this is my printing area where I can put my own file. Yeah, so I like my life, my rules, which I want to print. Just drag and drop. The file is put over here. So this is exactly I want to print it over here. You can see this is centrally assigned. So you can see the design configuration over here. And now I want to go to add to cart and I want to gift it to my friends. So I want exactly 15 units or 15 pieces of this t-shirt with this predefined material, packaging and delivery prices. And I want to place my order. As I have logged into my Magento, everything is predefined. I just go and check my cart value with the shipping charge and proceed to checkout. Now 15 units of this ride hoodies are in my cart. This is my predefined shipping address. Yes, Christina. I am going to put this order and place order. As it is a demo site, I haven't use any payment gateway. So this is my order number 531. Now as a Magento admin, I will switch my view and this is my Magento admin panel where I am going to see my orders. Now this is 531 order number. I am looking at it over here. This is where I can see my design files. And once I click on generate image, it will list down the basic images plus my own image as an attachment. You can see this is my hoodie and this is my design which I want to get it printed. Here I can download my image, but no, I don't want to manage over here. I will now manage my order in Odoo ERP. So this is my Odoo where BizTech has developed a PrintXpand solution on Odoo. This is version 15 right now on our screen where we have developed this solution and it is upgraded to version 17 also, where I want to bring my order. So when I go to quote, okay, I can see SO87 which is connected to older order. Now I want to bring my order. So what I do, I need to run my scheduler, which will fetch my order from Magento because the interval is 15 minutes, but for the demo purpose I need to click it immediately. Inside quotation I can see order number 90 which is order number 531 in Magento. This is my order number 531, same is now available in Odoo with my design asset. So this is all the customization we have made over here. Now one can download all the files and can see what are all the designs we have to print. So a designer can see all the design running files, whether the resolution is good or not. And once they are validating, they can send for artwork approval. So artwork approval is very much essential for getting approval from client. So this will trigger an email to the defined email and it will be sent. Right now I haven't configured any email ID, but I will directly open my order from here, which will be sent to customer. And for whenever it is multi-line order, I need to approve multi-line and I need to provide my final approval over here. So once it is approved, I can go back to my Odoo, and then I will open my PrintXpand and sales order. So now inside my sales order, I will see 90 number, which is design approved status. In Odoo, we also have a functionality like send quotation by email, which we can use or we can directly confirm. So I do confirm this order because I already received artwork approval. If I need quotation approval after revision, I can send by quotation and it will create a manufacturing order. Now inside my manufacturing order, I will see my design asset and my hoodie, and then I have a work order to be done, like work center 1 which is going to print, and work center 2 which is going to finish this item by packaging. So as a logic, I have to assign an employee who will going to perform this, and we are ready to start this work order. Before that, I have to check whether components are available or not. So on the default Odoo flow, we can simply check availability and it will show as an available. And inside overview also, I can see whether my raw materials are available. Yes, I do have enough quantity of goodies available. And then I can directly produce all, and it will trigger my final delivery after sales order. So now I can reserve my item 15 units. I can simply validate this order. So inside Odoo, now you can manage your artwork and design files, and it's ordered from Magento, and then get your raw material and work center planning and everything inside Odoo with raw material management planning. So this is how PrintXpand can help in many other way to manage your design files from Magento and getting it managed inside Odoo as a PrintXpand Odoo ERP product. Hope this will help many printing industry to find this solution worth, and let me know if you need more information. Thank you very much.